If you want to make your PowerPoint text stand out more, one of the easiest ways is by adding a shadow effect. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to format text shadow in PowerPoint, and I'll also show you how to customize it so your text looks cleaner, sharper, and more professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips. Now let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and select the text you want to edit. You can click directly on a text box or highlight the specific text you want to apply the effect to. Once your text is selected, look at the top ribbon and go to the Format tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps most of the text styling tools, including effects like shadow, glow, reflection, and more. Next, click on Text Effects. This is the icon that usually looks like a glowing or stylized A. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear with different effect options. From that menu, choose Shadow. PowerPoint will immediately apply a default shadow to your selected text, so you can instantly see the change. If you're happy with the basic look, you can stop there. But if you want more control, you can customize the shadow to match your design. To do that, right-click on the selected text and choose Format Text Effects. This opens a side panel with advanced formatting options. In this panel, you can adjust the shadow in several ways. First, you can change the color of the shadow to make it lighter, darker, or better matched to your background. Then, you can adjust the blur or softness, which controls how sharp or smooth the shadow appears. A higher blur gives the shadow a softer look, while a lower blur makes it more defined. You can also change the angle, which controls the direction of the shadow. This is useful if you want the shadow to look like it's coming from a certain light source. After that, adjust the distance, which changes how far the shadow sits from the text. A small distance keeps the shadow close, while a larger distance makes it more separated and dramatic. Finally, you can fine-tune the transparency so the shadow is more subtle or more visible, depending on the style you want. As soon as you adjust these settings, your text shadow updates instantly, so you can see the effect in real time. That makes it easy to experiment until your text looks exactly right. This is a great way to improve titles, headings, and important text on slides, especially when you want better readability or a more polished design. And that's it. Now you know how to format text shadow in PowerPoint and customize it like a pro. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.